Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you guys can see here, we have Wago back in the garage. I have the car fully taken apart. We did that in the last video. Got the trim over here all taped up. This is the homie Richie, by the way. Man, good to see you. Richie pulled up in the clean Toyota truck, man. So he has some plans for this thing. He wants to make it like a drift truck build. As you guys can see, this thing is vintage, just how we like it. You know what I'm saying? Just how we like it. Super cool. As you can see, this got sanded down too, and it's just about where it needs to be to get wrap. That's what he wants to do. He wants to do like a tan wrap on it. Yo guys, so we got casing in the house too. Homie just showed up, so we are all here working on the car. We were able to almost get this whole side done. We have a little bit left on this door here to do, but as you guys can see, this whole half of Wago is just about finished. Up into the hood here, I'm almost done with it. I have this section left here of just getting that clear coat off, and then we can move on to the passenger side here. So we're getting to it. Well guys, we were able to get the car sanded down for the most part.
Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on.
Well guys, we were able to get the car sanded down for the most part here. We're gonna take her out while we still have some daylight and really just spray her down with a hose. I think we did a phenomenal job today. We did some Bondo work on the rear door, on the roof. We did a little bit of work up front too. Most of the car is done. We just have the hatch to complete. And other than that, sanding wise, I think she's pretty much good.
Yeah, damn bro, what the fuck? There you go.
It's already raining, so it's kind of helping us here, but as you guys can see, she's getting all sprayed down.
You're probably like, where the hell did he get shorts from?
Wago's getting a nice little spray down, courtesy of Richie. Well guys, now that you can see it in the daylight, the car is pretty much fully sanded. There's a few little spots that we gotta hit, but we made a whole lot of progress. I think the car looks amazing. But I'm gonna call the video here today, guys. If you guys watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. You know, I'm just trying to build the channel one good video at a time. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be getting some more work done here on Wago and getting her that much closer to paint. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.